Wait, did you know one small habit could completely change your relationship with Allah?
And many Muslims don't even realize they might be making simple mistakes in their daily worship.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abu Hikmah, and this channel is here to help you understand Islam in a simple, friendly way. If you've ever had questions about Islam, you're not alone. Here you'll find real Islamic Q&A based on the Quran and Sunnah.
Motivational reminders strengthen your faith and inspire your daily life.
And inspiring stories from the prophets, the Sahaba, and Islamic history. Because sometimes one small lesson can change your whole life. This isn't just a channel, it's a community where we learn and grow together. Subscribe and join the journey.